Hey, have you heard of this couple? They're currently traveling around the world and reinventing themselves again. Can you imagine? Going back and resetting your life again? I know, right? Well, yeah, they are already doing it. Look, and you can call them Aey and Mel.
By the free beach, riding our bikes in the morning. I'm just walking just to shoot. Well, we rode the bike all the way here, and then we're gonna explore. Gonna explore this side of the road. I'll try to capture while riding, but I'm not sure because I might fall over. Cause
Yeah,
it's I'll show you like over the edge. It's like straight to the ocean. So
just a glimpse because
yeah,
the safety is number one.
yeah,
So definitely not capture while you're biking.
yeah. We'll go towards the end. Look at the view here. So clear. Over the weekends, like people crowd here. So, but today it's a Monday, so free beach is literally free. Then on the side you can see how clear the water is. Yeah.
Look at that water. So clear. There's birds over there. Mel's biking farther away. Wow, this place is so peaceful. Definitely reminds us of our home in Sydney, Australia. How Australia is also surrounded with a lot of coastal walks and so just look at the water, how clear it is. Now it's back. Probably explore the other side. How's your biking going on? It's still freezing, right? Even if the sun is out.
In some of the pathways,
Yeah.
generally you can get away with just carrying your bike.
Yeah, definitely.
You can go all the way.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the Croatian houses.
Oh. The dog is barking behind us. We came back here to try and if we can bike around this area. But definitely it's a bit challenging to bike with the stones. Yeah. Still worth it. You think we can go further far or I'll try to explore it. Yeah. Look at these houses. We'll discover a cafe or a cafe bar, I think. just beside this water, so we might actually check this one out. There's no name in front, so we'll find out later. We're going to try it. But for now, explore this area first and maybe come back there later in this cafe and chill in front of the water. So, yes.
That's not.
Yeah, I
That's
think
not
we
dead
reached the
ends.
edge of this route because there's already a parking lot and there's a main road already right here.
You can theoretically keep going, but it's just keeps going through the city
Yeah.
at some point. But there's some benches here and there, and then there's some restaurants behind me. Sometimes it's open. I think now it's closed because
It's
it's
more
off
in
peak.
a residential
Yeah, it's
area.
residential there, but
Yeah, where most of the cars are like driving along the way, and you can see the road is pretty thin. Like they give way to each other.
yeah, I showed them. You can't really bike continuously. Like there are instances where we had to
Maybe they can
bring
depends on their preference.
bring up our bikes because of the steps, and then the rocks are
Yeah.
sometimes tricky to bike. But other than that, it's a good ride. Like we were all the way. I don't know. I can't even see it. Like, so we rode the coastline. So there is a cafe that we saw on that edge. So we might have a coffee or two for a bit and enjoy this view.
Park our bike over here. Just put the lock in between this area, and then now Mel found the dog. The dog approached us. Hi, doggy, so cute. Well, we can tell Mel miss our dog back in Sydney. You miss Harley? Yeah. Maybe that's why that dog approaches us. So cute. Yeah. So a while ago we said we found a cafe on the way to where the spot we want to explore. As you can see, the cafe is just here where Mel is standing beside. So we're gonna check that place out and try their coffee.
The dog that was barking.
Oh, he was the dog that was barking a while ago? Really? While we're biking? And now he's here. Maybe his owner is having a coffee as well.
Maybe, probably.
Yeah.
It's just peeing on all of the.
Is here already. I think his owner is here too. Cute. Dog is following Mel.
My dog.
Yeah. Cute. Hi.
Two coffee.
The dog is chilling on my legs now. So cute. We're having our kava with milk.
Normal size coffee.
Yeah. That's the coffee that Mel's talking about. Coffee. Heading home now. To get her bike and head home. We're leaving now. We're heading home. He's like, where are you going? Bye bye.
Saying bye.
Yeah. Hi, doggy. He's pausing. He was like, what is this lady waiting for? A while ago, he's like running after Mel. Now, look. Bam! The dog is chasing you. So cute. He's like, girl, quick. Oh, you need to go home now. We're heading home as well. Bye bye, doggy. Bye bye. That dog is waiting for us. He's barking. He's like, why are you taking so long? Anyways, that's it for our bike route here in Zadar.
This is our view in Croatia. Feels like. Look at the view. There's the sunset. I mean, at night you can see the sunset from here. So.
Sunset here in Zadar. Look at that.